My mom makes a different kind of pancake. Oh, please like, subscribe, and share. Hey, my amazing people. How are you guys doing? I trust and pray you guys are taking good care of yourselves. Well, guys, it's a beautiful day today. Another beautiful Saturday. Very sunny, very hot. I'm home, not working today. Cooking, experimenting as usual. And you guys know when I'm home, I love to cook. So, let me ask you guys a question. How many of you guys are in the mood for a pancake? This is no ordinary pancake, guys. How many different types of pancakes you guys are familiar with? Pancakes for breakfast, pancakes for a snack. But guys, my mom makes a different kind of pancake. This pancake she calls health pancake. And when I say it's a health pancake, trust me guys, this pancake has all the health products inside. Doesn't taste that bad. I've had it before, but she is actually making it today. And I decided to show you guys the ingredients she's using for this pancake. So she's busy preparing the ingredients. I'm going to show you guys, and when I say it's a healthy pancake, guys, trust me, it's really healthy pancakes. So guys, let's join my mom together. Let's see what kind of pancake she cooks. And this is her recipe, guys. She didn't get it from any book or from YouTube or anyway. This is her own version of this kind of a pancake. And this is the pancake I usually eat here at home. So let's join mom. Let's see how she makes this pancake. Let me show you the ingredients first. Yep, here are the ingredients. And mom, she loves to experiment, loves to try new stuff. And maybe that's where I got it from too. She normally uses whole wheat flour, cranberries, she would put carrot inside, banana, oatmeal. How healthy can you get, guys? How healthy can you get? Eggs, baking powder, almond milk, and essence. She doesn't use any sugar or any salt. She would use butter or oil. Today she'll use oil. And sometimes she would use cinnamon too. But today she will be using cinnamon. So let's join her and see how she puts these ingredients together. Alright, let's check out this healthy pancake. Okay, she add the oatmeal in the blender, then the milk. And mom doesn't use measurement, she goes by averaging. In goes the carrots. The bananas, yeah, with the sweet bananas and the carrots and the essence, I don't think you'll need salt and sugar. And like I said, guys, this is her version. This is her experiment. This has anything to do with any recipe on Facebook or YouTube or social media. She invented this by herself. So we're talking about healthy. There you go, guys. I guess when you get to a certain age, this is all you have to eat. Healthy. And you name it, all the vitamins and proteins and iron, everything is right there in that blender. Hannah, you see how you break an egg? You break one egg at a time. You know why? Hannah, you know why? Because if you have a bad egg and you break all three together, the one bad egg is going to spoil the others. So you break one at a time. Cranberries. Or is that cranberries or cran raisins? Let me see. In the pot. Cranberries. All right. All right. You're gonna put all the bananas inside now. Just adding some more milk. Essence. A dash of oil. I can probably drink that, you know.
Looks like milkshake.
Milkshake.
It looks like milkshake.
I can probably drink that. That's a lot of health in there, guys. That's like a health drink, milkshake. Oatmeal. Ooh. Don't smell bad. Smell like but it smell like milkshake. Smell like banana milkshake. Wait, you're making pancake for the whole week? I gotta eat this pancake? There's a lot of pancake you're making. So I gotta eat this whole week. Okay, she's adding the flour to the mixture. And again, she goes by averaging. She's been doing this for a long time now, so she knows. And again, guys, that's whole wheat flour. So, how healthier can you get? Dash of baking powder. Okay, more than a dash. 3
Because it's a wheat flour.
is what, 3 what, teaspoon? Okay. So you gotta let that settle first, so you can, okay, you can start cooking it right away. Look how she's concentrating, professional at what she's doing. I guess she's looking for the consistency. Not too watery, not too thick. See guys, simple. Putting the ingredients together and frying the batter. Not too much to it. The only thing, it has a lot of health ingredients inside. Nutritious. Okay, so we got the frying pan and the fire. Mom just add the oil. And remember, you can use butter also, but today mom is using oil. Wow. Like one of them street food cook shop. It's like a cartwheel. Doesn't take long to cook.
You see this holes when it's ready to turn.
That's when you're supposed to turn it. Mom said when you see all these bubbling holes all over, that's when you flip it. See, the holes are all appearing. Flipping time. Wow, look at that golden brown color. And that's a healthy pancake. I know why you make so much. I gotta use every morning before I go to work. Check out that. Check out the
You
pancake.
put some butter on it. But
Yeah.
how many people use pancake with sugar with onion?
Yeah, pancake syrup. When I eat pancakes, I love them with butter. People would use
You could use
syrup,
it with cheese too.
honey, what have you, but I love cheese and butter.
Which is not good for
Hmm? This is the last of the pancake. And for your information, what mom just told me, this same batter you can also use to make muffins. Healthy muffins. Look at that, look at that. Perfect golden brown. That's it. That's the last one. There you have it, guys. Healthy pancake. When you get to a certain age, you gotta eat these kind of pancakes. You have your carrot, bananas, oatmeal, cranberries, and everything that's healthy, you know. Whole wheat flour. Yep. Okay guys, I didn't have my lunches yet, and I know how this pancake tastes already, but I'm just tasting it for the fans. And like I was saying before, you can use pancake syrup, you can use honey, peanut butter, cheese. My choice would be cheese and butter. So I know how it tastes already. I'm just gonna taste it for you guys. You can taste the banana for sure. The essence you can taste. Cranberries you can taste. But actually you don't even notice that there is oatmeal in here, because it's all blended up, right? It's healthy. It's healthy. Kind of yummy healthy. It's for those who love a healthy pancake. So this is my mom's version of her pancake, and I eat this all the time because she makes it all the time. The cheese is delicious. That's why she didn't add salt or sugar, because with the added toppings, we already have sugar and salt, right? The cheese has a bit of salt in it. It's okay. It's okay. Healthy living. Cheers, guys. It's good. Look, there. Mama's version of pancakes. Don't forget to give my video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and share. And thank you for joining me in this video. I'll catch you on the other video, guys. Stay safe. God bless. Bye for now, guys.